I am going to do something that I have never, ever done before. It is truly the biggest Black Friday deal you are ever going to see. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of Rapid Affiliate Products. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can fall successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you can skip because, yeah, I tell the same stale jokes day in and day out, every single day. They're boring. I get it, but I like my jokes, so I tell them anyway. They're dad jokes, you know. But anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make money online niche. And why is there such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Dude, stop it with it, okay? You don't want crap. These people don't want it. Nobody wants crap, okay? Seriously. The guy has like this existential crisis that he wants crap. Nobody does. Yeah, but seriously, you are new. The way things work here, if I like about, I will give a tip on my hat to the product career. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a live video about online mindset and entrepreneurship.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
No, Barry, not quite a billionaire, but thank you for the vote of confidence. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? Anyway, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so this is the sales page for Rapid Profits. Rapid Affiliate Profits is from my mentor, actually, John Thornhill. He's teaming up with one of his top people, Omar Martin. These are two of like the biggest names in the industry. Between the two of them, they are responsible for tens of millions of dollars in sales. And I personally am responsible for hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. Not millions, but I've done hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales. Anyway, so the two of them have teamed up and put this thing together. They're going to show you exactly their exact system that is responsible for making them $104,000 in a month. Okay, that's pretty insane numbers that they're able to do. Now, of course, I don't expect you to be doing that right from the start, but it is possible to do it eventually if you start building things up. And they really do have a very simple system. The price, by the way, is truly insane. It's $9.95 for the whole thing. I'm going to show you everything in just a second, but I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because I have never, ever, ever done a bonus like this ever before. Like literally, I've never done this before. So in the past, I've given away some of my own courses as bonuses. Okay. Now, I very often give away PLR or master resale rights to a lot of products. I own licenses to a lot of stuff. I buy a lot of this stuff in order to be able to give you great stuff. And this time I'm giving you 10 of my very own courses. These are not stuff I've licensed. These are stuff I actually recorded, which means that you actually get to say that that this is from Eric Hammer, the man in the hat. So I'm the one presenting them personally, which does make a difference because as you know, kind of a brand name in the industry, so to speak, it does make a difference when you can say that this is done by a name brand. Most PLR, you're not allowed to say who made it. I'm letting you do that. But I'm also doing something that I've never, ever done before. First of all, there's 10 of them for $9.95, which is completely bonkers. Okay, you can see the list below this video. I'm not going to go through the entire list. Okay, $9.95, but I've also done something extraordinary. In the past, all I did was give away the videos, and you have to do any of the marketing materials yourself. For the first time ever, I'm actually going to hand to you ready to use high quality mock-ups. You can see on my page, if you're looking on YouTube, just click the link below this video. If you're on my website, you can see the mock-ups that I created. You're going to get these exact mock-ups. The difference is going to be that you are able to edit them. So it's not going to have my name on the bottom, like you see on these mock-ups. It's going to have the graphic image. You'll have the option to obviously put in that as well, but you can have the graphic image only. You can put in your own title and your own name on it. So if you want to put your name, my name, and your name, you know, put in your name, presented by Eric Hammer, for example, that's perfectly fine. You're going to be able to do that. And the reason that this is so valuable is because the real value of PLR is being able to rebrand it and sell it as your own. Now, in the past, I've said, well, you do the rebranding on your own, and that's your problem. In this case, I'm actually going to let you do that. And I'm also going to show you how to do it using completely free software. You don't need anything special. As long as you have an internet account, you can access this website and do everything for free. I'm going to show you how to edit it exactly step by step. That's going to be included in my custom bonus for you. But if you pick up any upgrade valued at least $20, that's it. I'm not making it a big deal because this is a Black Friday special. This really should be something I'm saying you have to do $200 worth of upgrades, but I'm doing $20 because this is a Black Friday special. I want it to be something truly special. So $20 is all you're going to have to spend for an upgrade. I'm going to double the number of courses. I'm going to give you 20 of them, all from me. Again, nothing that I license. These are my personal courses. You can see me presenting these things. So you're going to get double the number. Okay, that's number one. But the other thing you're going to get when you pick up $20 worth of upgrades, you get reassignable PLR. What does that mean? Usually when you buy PLR, that means that you have the right to sell it. You can give it away. You use it as your own bonus. You can use a lead magnet. You can use it for the basis of your own product, but you're not allowed to give somebody else PLR rights. Okay, that means that the person who buys it from you gets personal use rights only. In this particular case, you are able to reassign PLR rights. The only thing is that your customer can't reassign PLR rights, so it doesn't go on forever. But basically, if you sell it to Bob, okay, Bob then has the right to sell it to Sally as a personal use rights product. Sally just doesn't have the right to sell it to Jim, for example. Okay, so it doesn't go on forever, but it does go with your customer can actually reassign the PLR rights. I've only done this once many, many years ago. I gave it up because it's just a way too valuable thing to do, but this is a Black Friday special, so I'm doing this, and this is only for Black Friday weekend. It's going to be available until Monday evening, Cyber Monday. By Monday, it will be gone, period. Nothing to talk about. This is going to be gone Monday. Okay, you have to request this. So you're good. So it's not like if my assistant leaves it up or something. You are going to only be able to get this through Monday. And also the deal on rapid affiliate profits is only going to be available until Monday. It's going to be $9.95 until Monday only. So this is a really, really special deal that is only going to be available. Again, you're going to get mock-ups just like this one that you see here. Okay, and you can see on my own website, you see the mock-ups that I actually created for you with the barcodes and everything, the whole 9 yards, designed to look very professional. So you can actually go ahead and use these things in order to be able to make your sales. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creators or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously. Okay, you demand. I really do like this. This is awesome. And as I said, I'm doing something extraordinary right now because I've never done this before. Rather, you're going to love it.